What's up guys, and welcome back to TechPlant. Today we're going to take a look at a sweet algae scraper, so let's check it out. And here it is, the exquisite stainless steel scraping algae knife. Is this a knife made of algae that scrapes stainless steel? Let's find out. Nope, it actually appears to be an algae scraping stainless steel knife. I'm pretty sure there's that one Japanese YouTuber that's made a knife out of algae, so I shouldn't even make jokes. But anyways folks, let's take a look at the contents of the packaging. It looks like we have 3 stainless steel pieces. One would be the thicker handle, an extension rod, and then the main scraping mechanism. It comes with a pack of blades and then one extra one, and these honestly should last you quite a long time because algae is not something that's going to wear your blade out. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to load this thing. First, you're going to unscrew these little knobs. You're not going to have the blade already in there like mine is. I don't know why I filmed it this way, but yeah, just remove the 2 knobs first and take away the plate. Once you got that removed, you can take your blade out of the packaging and then you can kind of put it and line it up with the holes. You'll see on the blade there's 2 larger openings and they should line up well. Set the plate over the razor, make sure you line up the holes and make sure the long side is kind of on towards the handle and the short side towards the blade so the blade stays exposed. Once you got it all lined up, just take those screws and screw them right back in nice and hand tight and you should be good to go. Something I really love about this product is it uses the same style razors as my safety razor, which I shave with. Also, highly recommend a safety razor to anybody. It saves you a ton of money. You can get 100 blades for like 10 bucks. The actual razor is like 30 bucks for a nice one, and I promise you you'll save a ton of money over the years shaving, and it's just a way better experience. But anyways, back to the regular video. The best way to kind of prove this is a good product is by just actually demonstrating it. So I'm just going to kind of scrape away this algae and you'll see how awesome and clean this works. Like, this thing is just a game changer for me. I used to use kind of like the hard sponge slash like Brillo pad type things in the past, and that always took like multiple scrubs to get the stuff off and it never seemed to do well on the glass. But these razors just literally cut the algae clean off. They're so sharp, and against that glass it is so perfect. Do be wary that you cannot use this on plastic tanks. This sharp razor will cut right into it. You will mar up and muck up your plastic tank, so do not buy this if you have a plastic fish tank. Another thing I noticed using this style is it really cuts the algae clean off. It leaves nothing, no traces whatsoever, and it makes it much harder for the algae to reestablish and come back compared to when I use the sponge and stuff. I swear it leaves like minute amounts which allow it to establish and regrow quickly. So this again is so much better than the sponge thing for cleaning glass. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up this video. It's just a quick review of an algae scraper I bought. I think it works great, way better than the sponges. Anyways guys, hope you liked it, hope you liked the aquarium content, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.